Hi, this is John from Joomla, and today let's talk about setting up a multilingual website. Now, you may think setting up a multilingual site is a complex, painstaking, lengthy process, not to mention the burden of maintaining it, and you would be right until now. Building a multilingual site is no longer a problem, not when you use the new JA Multilingual component. We have divided this video tutorial into 4 sections: component installation, configuring the component, enabling the language switcher, and translate language. Let's get started. First, let's install the component. Here is a look at our site's backend. So we go to Extensions and then Extension Manager, browse down to our installation package, select it, and then install. Well, the first part was pretty easy, wasn't it? Now let's move on to the second part, configuring the component. Now, before you begin, you are going to need a Bing API. If you do not have one, you can sign up for one for free. Once you have one, put your Bing account information right here. All good? Great. Let's move on to the third section, which is enabling the language switcher module. Now, this module will be displaying flag icons on the front end depicting the various languages. That allows the users to switch between them. So to start, let's enable the Language Filter plugin. Go to Extensions, Plugin Manager, and find our plugin. Okay. Now open the Setting panel. Let's publish it, and then browse through the various basic options. You can configure it as you need. Just don't forget that when you're done, save it. Now let's enable the Language Switcher module. Open our Extensions, Module Manager, and then Create New Module, and select Module Language Switcher. All right, now let's configure the module. Set the position of the module. Assign the menu items that we want the module to be displayed in. And you can also change the basic settings, but we're going to just keep the default settings for now. Once you're done, click Save. And now let's move on to our final part, translate languages. To do this, we open the JA Multilingual component. The first thing you want to do is change the language that you want your site translated from. This is the default language of your website. Now we'll install the languages that you want your website to be translated to. Click on Install More, and select a language. You can install as many languages as you want. Once you're done, click Install, and now it's time to translate. Just click on Translate All. You can check on the translation process in the translation result box right here. Depending on the size of your site, this could take a little bit, so be patient. Great, our translation is successful. So now let's go check the front page. And here is our Language Switcher module. You see here the flag icons representing the translated languages we have available. Simply click on a flag to change your site to that language. And as you can tell, it works perfectly. Your site is now multilingual. In the future, when you add new content, just run Translate All option again and the new content, new modules, and new third-party extensions will all be translated to the corresponding languages. Your old content, which you've already translated, will not be translated again. The component only translates new content, and that will save you a lot of time. Well, that's it for today. We hope you enjoy using our new JA Multilingual component. Thanks for watching.